About this item suitable for most CPU towers, the mobile computer tower stand has an overall size of 16.1 L x 11.8 W x 28.0 HPC tower table matches the different office environments and is also a perfect storage rack. Suitable for different styles of office. CPU stand size, 15.7 L x 11.6 W x 19.6 H, which can support most desktop/tower computers in the market. The maximum load-bearing capacity of the bottom metal mesh, 30 lb. Multifunction computer tower stand, 2-tier printer stand with storage drawer is workspace keep tidy and ideal. The top board can store office supplies such as printers, shredders, potted plants, files, etc. The bottom of the metal mesh stores the host computer or folder. It can also be used as a nightstand, end table, sofa table, or side table. 360 rotating wheels and adjustable feet pad. This PC tower stand equips 4 360-degree rotating wheels, 2 lockable, and 4 adjustable foot pads, which move easily, stay steady and protect your floor from scratches. It is a computer tower stand, industrial printer cart, rolling CPU stand, and nightstand with storage that is perfect for office, home, study room etc. High quality material, the CPU